Hello beautiful friends, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to make this flavorful honey garlic butter salmon recipe. Juicy and easy recipe. This easy salmon recipe is perfect for a quick weeknight dinner or just when you want something delicious in minutes. This is the recipe. So if you guys are interested to see how I make this flavorful honey garlic butter salmon recipe, keep on watching. Also, if you guys are new to my channel, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share. So to get this recipe started, you will need 4 salmon pieces. That's what my salmon looks like, already washed and clean. We're going to go right ahead and season this beautiful salmon with our ground black pepper. Next, we're going to add our sea salt. So we're going to just sprinkle a splash of sea salt onto our salmon. To add more flavor to these beautiful salmon pieces, we're going to add our all-purpose season. Next, we're going to go in with our paprika season to add that nice color. We're going to add our Cajun seasoning to add the flavor. We're also going to add our complete seasoning, which is optional for this recipe, but if you like your salmon to be fully seasoned, fully flavored, I would definitely suggest the complete seasoning for this recipe. Now we are going to pat the seasoning onto the salmon just like that. Do not rub the seasoning, guys. Just take your hand and lightly pat the seasoning onto the salmon just like that. Going to turn the salmon over to the opposite side. We're going to use all the seasoning that we used before, and we're going to season the salmon. So we are going to add our Cajun season, ground black pepper, complete season, which is optional for this recipe. We're going to add some all-purpose seasoning, sea salt, and also we're going to add our paprika seasoning, guys. I forgot the paprika seasoning, but you do need the paprika seasoning for this recipe. Complete seasoning is optional. All-purpose seasoning is optional as well. So we're going to like this seasoned salmon because later on in this video we're going to make a sauce for the salmon. So you want to go light on the seasoning here. Now we are going to pat the seasoning onto the salmon just like that. In the meantime, we're going to get our pot ready. Make sure the pot is nice and hot. And that looks nice and beautiful. It smells really good. We're going to place these beautiful salmon pieces into the pot. But before that, you want to add about 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. So I went ahead and placed the salmon into the pot. After about less 30 seconds, I noticed the salmon sticks into the pot. So this was not good at all. So I decided to bake my salmon instead, guys. As you guys can see right there, it was it's very sticky. And that's not how you want your salmon to be. So we're going to remove the salmon from the pot, place it on our baking dish. We're going to add some extra virgin olive oil to keep these beautiful salmon pieces nice and moist. Then we're going to bake for about 15 to 25 minutes. So that's what the salmon looks like. We're going to set this bowl to the side. We're going to use it later on in this video. We're going to set the salmon to bake for 15 to 25 minutes. In the meantime, we're going to get the sauce ready. So for this sauce, you will need your soy sauce, also your garlic, which is the minced garlic. If you have fresh garlic, you can use it as well for this recipe. We're going to need some lemon juice and honey for this recipe. So we're going to add all these ingredients to our bowl. We're going to mix very well to combine these ingredients. So I am going to make this sauce off camera to save us some time. All you need to do for this recipe is you will need to add this sauce to a saucepan. You will boil until it's nice and bubbly. Turn the pot off completely. Remove the salmon from the oven and then just, let the sauce cool down a little bit. And then we are going to pour the sauce onto the salmon. It's quick and easy recipe. It's if you guys are looking for that flavorful weeknight recipe, this is definitely a recipe to keep. So that's what the sauce looks like. Don't forget to taste your sauce. Make sure it's it's tasteful to your preference. So I am going to go ahead and add about a tablespoon more of low sodium soy sauce. Mix again. So that's what the sauce looks like, guys. Looks very good. It smells really good. The low sodium soy sauce gives such a good flavor to this sauce. So this is what the fish looks like, guys. It looks pretty good. So I am going to show you guys what the sauce looks like. This is the sauce after adding the unsalted butter and all those flavorful ingredients into the bowl. That's what it looks like. We're going to add some of the sauce onto the salmon just like that. We're going to place the salmon back into the oven for about 5 minutes just to let the salmon cook a little bit more and let the sauce caramelize onto the salmon. Once it's completely done, I am going to show you guys the final results. Came out absolutely beautiful. It was flavorful and quick and easy to make. If you guys are interested in making this quick and easy recipe, please check the description box for a list of all the ingredients used in this video. So after 5 minutes back into the oven, this is what our salmon looks like. Came out absolutely delicious. It was nice and juicy. As you guys can see right there, the flavor, the color was just so beautiful. This recipe is definitely a keeper. Flavorful honey garlic butter salmon recipe. Thank you guys so much for stopping by, and I hope to see all my beautiful friends in my next video. Take care. Bye guys.